Hey, let me show you how you can connect a Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro into the mobile application. So first of all, on your device, you will have to open the Google Play Store and download the Galaxy Wearable application. Previously, it was called the Samsung Gear. When you do this, you will have to open this application and right now click More, then select Start. Now, I was actually previously connected with my buds, but you will have to actually open the case with both earbuds inside, and you will have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking with the red, green and blue. And now you will have to release this button and put it close to your phone. Remember to keep it open. And now from available devices, you will have to just select the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So tap on them once, and now you will be automatically connected. Sometimes you will have to also download the Galaxy, not Galaxy, we have to actually input this phrase, Buds 3 Pro, this phrase, and we have to actually get this one, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro Manager. So if something is wrong and it's not working properly with your device, just remember to download this extension, and then you will be able to simply use your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro with mobile application. In this case, I'm using a non-Samsung phone. This is actually the Google Pixel 8a, but it also works for any other Android device. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.